Hi, and welcome to Uddeholm. At one of our client interactions, a leading manufacturer approached us with a recurring challenge.
I am using Uddeholm Orvar Supreme H13 ESR, HRC 44 to 46. The performance is consistent, but it reaches its limit at around 150,000 shots. This is mainly due to progressive plastic deformation and accelerated wear under continuous cycles. I need an option to further extend tool life and reduce downtime. Do you have a solution?
First, let us have an idea of the tool failure issue. The plastic deformation that has occurred is due to high clamping force and low material strength. The acceleration in wear is due to an abrasive polymer which has 30% glass fiber. Orvar Supreme is a versatile and proven steel for demanding molding applications. However, given the aggressive nature of this polymer and the need for extended tool life, we evaluated an alternative solution within our portfolio. We recommended an upgrade to Uddeholm Unimax, a grade designed for extreme wear conditions with higher hardness and superior toughness. With our new recommendation, the customer experienced increase in tool life from 150,000 shots to up to 200,000 shots and still continuing. This also leads to reduced maintenance, reduced tool cost and time saved.